In today's video, I'm going to help you decide if you should drop ship or if you should do affiliate marketing. We're going to compare the earning potential, the cost to start, and the amount of work it takes. Before we get into the video, if you like videos about winning products, dropshipping, Shopify themes, apps, and tutorials, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on. Now, let's get into the video. Alright, so first off, let's define the two really quickly. With dropshipping, the appeal is that you don't have to invest in inventory. How? Because what you do is you find a product or products through a website like AliExpress. These products are generally really inexpensive. Then you create a Shopify store, post that product on your store at a marked up price, advertise it, and then when you make a sale, you then communicate with your AliExpress supplier, which is usually done pretty automatically through an app. You pay them for the product at that cheaper price, supply them with the customer's address that they entered in on your website, and then AliExpress sends the product to your customer. So no upfront investment in a product unless you order one for yourself to make videos, but otherwise the only time you pay for a product is after you've already made a sale. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, you don't create a Shopify store because you aren't selling the product at all. Someone else is. So if this affiliate program is the Amazon Associates program, how it works is you advertise whichever product you want to, but rather than sending the customer to purchase the product from your own store, you send them to someone else's Amazon listing, and you earn a commission from that sale. There's more to it which we're going to get into, but that's my brief overview. Alright, let's first talk about how much it costs to start. For dropshipping, the first thing you need is a website to sell your products. A Shopify store is going to cost you $29 a month. The second thing you need is a custom domain name. You get a free domain name when you sign up with Shopify, but I don't recommend using that. It's going to deter people from buying from you. A custom domain name looks way more trustworthy and professional. A domain name is going to cost you anywhere between $9 and $17 a year if you purchase through Shopify. For this example, just to keep it simple, we will say that the domain name is going to cost you $14 a year. The last expense I would personally recommend including is the cost of the product you are selling. Some people don't buy the product themselves and will just use photos and videos from AliExpress. This can work. In fact, it can even look super professional if you use InVideo, but I do recommend purchasing the product yourself if you can. This way you can create your own videos and make yourself stand out against your competitors. Alright, for dropshipping, our total is $30.42 per month. That is the cost of a website and a domain name. Per year, that works out to $362. And then there's the unknown expense of the product, and that really depends on what you choose. Now, this is just the bare bones get started kind of estimates. Down the road, you might decide that you want to purchase an app to make your processes faster and more efficient, or you might want some money towards advertising, but just starting out, there are free apps that you can use, and as far as advertising goes, we have TikTok now where you can advertise for free, and the reach you get organically is amazing. So these are the only costs that I'm going to include as absolutely essential. Next, let's talk about the Amazon affiliate program. Cost to get started, $0. You don't need a website if you're joining their influencer program. You just need a social media account with either YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Just like I said for dropshipping though, I do recommend purchasing the product you are recommending so that you can create video content, but that would be the only cost associated with starting, and that price depends on what the product is. Now let's talk about the amount of work each of these takes. With dropshipping, there are a few categories where you will spend your time. The first is doing initial research. So that includes finding a winning product, finding a supplier, doing market research, coming up with a price, and etc. Then you need to create a website, so installing a free theme, installing any apps you need, adding your product to the store, writing the descriptions up, setting up all of your shipping and tax settings, and etc. Third, you need to advertise, so recording video footage, editing, and posting. The time you spend here is going to vary from person to person, and it also depends on how many platforms you're posting on and how often you post. But for example, if you're on TikTok, you are likely posting 1 or more videos per day. The final category is one that I feel a lot of people who are interested in dropshipping forget to consider, and that is the customer support side. You yourself aren't shipping the products, but if the customer's product doesn't arrive on time, if they have a question, or if they aren't happy and want to return it, it is you that they're going to be contacting. So this is something you definitely need to think about. Do you have the time and do you want to be providing customer support? Is that something you picture yourself doing? If not, it's not to say that you shouldn't do it, period, because you can always hire someone in the future if you do well to do all the jobs that you don't like doing, but it's just something to think about. As for the amount of work Amazon associates take, there is no website creation, there is no customer support, because again, this is someone else's listing, someone else is selling it. If a customer has an issue, they wouldn't contact you, they would contact Amazon. The biggest pocket where you'll spend your time is content creation, but perhaps the biggest drawback for being an affiliate with Amazon is that in order to even be eligible to join, you do need to have an existing following. At least this is true for their influencer program. If you want to join the Amazon Associates program, that's the same idea, but the eligibility requirements are different. For that one, you need a website to join. I'll have links to both programs in the description box if you want to read more about the requirements. But back to the influencer program, if you don't have an existing following, you first need to build one. So that's posting a lot of videos to build up your follower count. This could take months depending on how fast you grow and depending on which platform you're building on. And then once you have the following and are a part of the program, it's continuing to make videos for each product that you want to advertise. Our third and final consideration is the earning potential. With dropshipping, say you sell this product, for example, this product costs $28.69. If you sold it on your website for $59.99 and then you offer the customer free shipping, but it costs you $10 to ship, you would subtract the product cost and the shipping, which would leave you with $21.30 in profit. This doesn't include the cost of your website or domain name, so those are other overhead costs to consider in your equation. But in this example, selling just 2 of these would cover your website costs for the month and leave you with some profit as well. If you were doing affiliate sales on Amazon, you would earn a percentage of the sale. The percentage amount that you earn depends on the product category that your product falls under, but for this product in particular, it would fall under home, which is a 3% commission rate. So if this product was selling for the same $59.99, you would multiply that by 0.03 and your earnings would be about $1.80. Now that number isn't all that impressive, but the cool thing about the Amazon affiliate program is that when someone clicks your link, you get commission not only off the product that you link to, but whatever else the customer purchases within the next 24 hours. So if they buy this product and a pair of shoes, you also get commission from the shoes. If they click your link and decide not to buy the product you recommended at all, but they do end up finding a different product on Amazon that they like instead, as long as they used your link initially, you still get commission from that sale. If you want to earn more with Amazon affiliates, you would just need to be strategic about which product you sell, look at the commission rates beforehand and pick a category that pays well, and also consider selling higher ticket items. If you're still torn between the two, ask yourself 2 questions. What are your income goals and how much time do you have to dedicate to this? If you want to earn more money quickly, a higher ticket dropship product might be the quickest way. If you already have a following and want to earn some passive income, maybe the Amazon influencer program is the way to go. Take some time to think about how much time and effort each one of these takes and also do some math. Write down what you want to earn per month and then figure out how many dropship sales or affiliate sales you would need to get that number. I would love to hear from you guys. Do you lean more towards dropshipping or more towards affiliate sales? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. We post a lot of time-sensitive content such as winning products on this channel, so make sure you have notifications turned on so that you can be one of the first to market when we post those videos.